Well, welcome to second semester videos. We're going to start by looking at the electric circuits kit. This is going to be used for quite a few experiments here at the start, so I thought it'd be good to just quickly go over it, see what's in. It's kind of like an unboxing video if you're into those sorts of things. So this is what they look brand new. Comes with a couple batteries. You'll probably need tons of batteries, so D-cell batteries if you need to find them. In one of these kits you'll find bags. You got your battery holders. Depending on the type of battery being used, I did find that some, it was hard for them to make their connection perfectly. And so sometimes I had to use a bit of duct tape to squeeze that shut for them to work pretty well. But these come with the kit, so they should probably be fine. You also get in that bag, so you got two battery holders, a switch, so you can turn on and off the circuit. There's one light bulb holder in there. You'll also get two more light bulbs holders. This will be useful for doing parallel and series circuits. A second switch, so you got two switches. You'll find just a lot of wires as well. You're going to be using those to connect from different points of the board. You got different length wires. This device here, this is called a potentiometer. Put that on the screen, it's a big word. And you can change the voltage that's going through it. So that's pretty cool. It'll be used in a couple labs. I won't open up this one, but you get more wires. The ones with the colored tape around them, those are resistors. And then you get all your light bulbs down at the bottom. You get quite a few light bulbs, so try to keep some stored away in case they ever get broken. I'm going to do a quick jump cut and show just a simple circuit, and then we'll close out this video. Cut back. So here is a pretty simple circuit using a few of the components. I like these boards because it lets everything kind of spread out. When you start looking at complex circuits, it's hard to kind of spread things out. So here I've got two batteries. I put them in series. I found two batteries gets the light bulb bright enough for it to show up on camera. Your light bulb, your switch. So notice right now my switch is not connected or off, and so my light bulb is not turned on. You can switch that on, and now the light bulb's on. The actual mechanics of a switch on a wall for students is all tucked in behind. They don't actually know what's going on. And so it's very easy to see here, there's a break between the pieces of metal, the conductors. And so when you close a switch, it's just connecting those pieces of metal. So that's very intuitive for them. I've also included the potentiometer in the circuit. When it's set to 0, it's reducing the voltage by nothing. But you can see as I increase that voltage, it's like a dimmer switch. That's exactly what your students are going to think about when that's introduced. So that's just kind of the basic circuit. Later on, we'll explore series versus parallel circuits and all sorts of fun things. But hopefully this is nice to see it in action.